Remember those days, running down the hall, making new friends, sharing secrets small, learning to read, counting stars so bright. School days were magical, what a delight. Oh, school days, where we laughed and where we played. Oh, school days, in our minds they never fade. We travel the world in our little dust, discovering wonders like a brand new breeze, drowning and singing through the noisy lunch. Those school days were the best, just ask the sun. Oh, school days, where we learned and where we strive. Oh, school days, in our hearts they will reside. Still shine like the first day of spring or the last class goodbye. Each lesson, each friend, a precious gift. In our hearts, those school days we'll never miss. Oh, school days, where we grew and where we stayed. Oh, school days, in our lives they'll always play. Oh, school days, forever in our ways. Oh, school days, oh, time we'll never ignore.
In December's chill, we wrapped gifts and cried. January's frost, where love and loss collide. February snow, a blanket over dreams. March's rain, our spirits start to gleam. April sun, new beginnings break the ice. May's flowers bloom, where we once were nice. June's keen, we dance and feel alive. July storms remind us of life. Years echoes in West Yorkshire's embrace. Each month's story, a lesson to chase. Through joy and sorrow, we find our way. Years echoes in West Yorkshire's sway. August light, we laugh and take a sigh. September's wind carries our goodbye. October's leaves find memories. November's night wraps us in mystery. Years echoes in West Yorkshire's hold. Each month's tale, a one to unfold. Through every season, we learn and grow. Years echoes in West Yorkshire's flow. Today, feet hitting ground with a sway. Every step leads us forward. In this journey, we're never ignored. Through the night, the stars align, guiding us through, making us shine. Promises made, promises kept. In this world, we'll find our own scope. Rhythm beats like a heart so true. In this song we find our cue. From today to tomorrow, we're in this together, no matter what the cost. on tight, finding strength in every light. Together we stand strong and bright, no matter how far we might fly. Steps taken, memories made. In this life, we're not alone. With every beat, our spirits raise. In this dance, we'll never be alone. As the sun sets, the sky turns red. In this moment, we'll always be freed. With hope in our hearts, we won't tread. In this year, we'll always be ahead. Rhythm beats like a heart so true. In this song we find our cue. From today to tomorrow, we're in this together, no matter what the cost. Turning to nights and still I'm feeling blue. Can't shake off this weight, it's like the constant view. I try to find light but it's hard to see. In this dark tunnel I just wanna break free. Echoes of despair, they won't let me go. Boredom and stress, they take over my soul. Hopeless and fed up, can't find my way. I need a break just to feel okay. Change, a new direction, a fresh start, a brand new intention. I'll fight through this, I'll find the light. In the darkness, I'll take flight. The world keeps spinning, I'm just trying to keep up. But every step forward feels like I'm stepping back. I've got to believe there's something more than just this endless, never-ending bore. I need a sign, a reason to keep going, to push through the pain and find my voice. I won't give up, I'll keep climbing high till I reach the sky and find my way home. Echoes of despair, they're slowly fading now. Hope starts to grow like the first rays of dawn. I'm breaking free from this endless night, feeling alive with a brand new sight.
Now me. I was born with the spark inside, unique and bright. Felt like I was living in a world so wide yet tight. Friends were few, they didn't understand my might, but I kept moving forward like a ship at night. Resilience is my shield, my heart so strong. Through storms and sunshine, I've learned to belong. With every step I'm growing, standing tall. In this journey, I won't let anyone fall. Autism in ADHD, they shaped me true, taught me to see things differently, to be new. Found my tribe where I fit right in. With laughter and love, we made it our mission. But then a friend we had to part. Left a hole in my heart, a memory to heart. Though we disagree, I still wish you well. Hope you find your path, feel less cold. Resilience is my shield, my heart so strong. Through storms and sunshine, I've learned to be warm. With every step I'm growing, standing tall. In this journey, I won't let anyone fall.
Years have slipped like autumn leaves from when you held my hand so tight. Through storms and sunny days, you've been my guiding light, my shining bright. Now I'm grown with paths of my own, but every step, your love is clear. In every laugh, in every frown, you're always there, more than a cheer. Mother's Day comes and goes so fast, but gratitude's a feeling that'll last. I thank you for all that you've done, for love and strength you never lost. With every tear and every smile, your heart beats strong like a drum. In this life, I'll always give my thanks, my love, my humble hum. When I look back on life's big show, I see your face like a beacon bright. So here's to you on this special day, for being the best, the only one. Every hug, every kiss, every word means more than I can ever say. In this world, I'll never forget the love you gave. That's all I need. Mother's Day comes and goes so fast, but gratitude's a feeling that lasts. I thank you for all that you've done, for love and strength you never lost. Mother's Day comes and goes so fast, but gratitude's a feeling that lasts. I thank you for all that you've done, for love and strength you never lost. Every 4 years, summer's here. Volunteers shine like the sun's glare. In stadiums we cheer and clap to see our heroes take the stage. Every 4 years, Summer Olympic Games come. Together we celebrate unity at home. From every corner we gather wide for grand success under the sky. Through the rain, through the heat, we never stop, we never retreat. With every stride we persevere, for the spirit of the games we hold dear. Every 4 years we gather tight, with flags waving, with hearts alight. We stand strong side by side. In the arena we find our pride. Every 4 years, Olympic days come, together we celebrate unity and home. From every corner we gather wide for great success under the sky.
In the fields of Kent, where apples bloom, autumn leaves whisper tales to the moon. Guy Fawkes night, bonfires light up the sky. History dances in the cold, crisp fall breeze. Cornfields sway in Devon, under blue skies so wide. Sheep graze in silence under the old stone bridge. Christmas carols fill the air as carolers sing. Snowflakes twirl down like tiny frosty wings. Seasons change but traditions remain. Through the years they bind us again and again. From the harvest bounty to the winter's chill, these stories passed down make our hearts thrill. In the hills of Wales, where the dragon flies high, spring brings fresh blooms, and the rivers run nigh. Eisteddfod's flame burns bright in the heart of the land, Welsh culture shines in every village and stand. Counties thrive with their own special flair. Each season brings joy through the year's big share. From the fields of grain to the shores of the sea, these tales of home keep us close, you and me.
London's hustle to the quiet Cornish coast, we travel through the land where memories are salt. In Scotland's highlands where the whiskey flows, we toast you every moment to our journey we call home. Birmingham's vibrant streets, Manchester's grand, Welsh castles and the beauty of the land. Each county a new adventure with tales to tell. Through every county we find our way never to dwell. From the north to south across the English moors, each place has its charm, its stories and its flowers. Through every county we find our way. In the UK we travel, come what may. United Kingdom from county to county, to celebrate events, to create special moments and memories. In every town, in every city, we find our way. Through every county, our journey we display. York's historic walls, where ghosts still roam. Nottingham's caves, where legends come. The Lake District's peaks, where nature's grace. Bath's thermal springs, where relaxation's embrace. From the north to the south, across the English moor, each place has its charm, its stories and its flowers. Through every county we find our way. In the UK we travel, come what may. United Kingdom from county, to celebrate events, to create special moments and memories. In every town, in every city, we find our way. Through every county, our journey. whiskers tickle my face. Every day she's here, no need to race. She loves to play and chase the red dot. In her eyes, there's a twinkle, oh so hot, hot. With a purr so soft it's like a lullaby, she keeps me company day and night. You see, Willow's whiskers, my furry delight. Paws on my lap, she's my constant light. Her playful games, a joy so true. Willow's whiskers, I love her always, you know. Willow's whiskers, she's my constant friend. From morning till night, she's never left my side. Her tail in the air, her paws in my face. Willow's whiskers, she's my favorite place. Willow's purr, it's like a soothing balm. When I'm feeling sad, she knows just what to do. She cuddles close, gives me a kiss. Willow's whiskers, she's my happiness. Willow's whiskers, she's my happiness. With a purr so soft, it's like a lullaby. She keeps me company day and night. You see, Willow's whiskers, she's my constant friend. From morning till night, she's never left my side. Her tail in the air, her paws in my face. Woo! Willow's whiskers, she's my constant friend. From morning till night, she's never left my side. Her tail in the air, her paws in my face. What for Willow's whiskers, she's my favorite place.
In my dreams, I see a brand new place. A house with space, where love can embrace. Walls painted white, the sun shining bright. With a garden and a porch for us to sit. If only I had a chance to start a family with someone, no more heartache apart. Dreams unfunded, but still so clear. A future we could share, just you and me, no fear. Electric beats, guitar, if it's time to fly. With the money to build, our life won't be a lie. I wish I had the funds, the means to begin a new home, a family to start again. Dreams unfunded, but they still ignite a hope inside me, like a fire to ignite. In my mind, I see the walls go up, brick by brick, our story starts to cup. Windows wide, the view is grand. Together we'll make this dream expand. If only I had the chance to catch a life filled with love, with no more past. Dreams are floating, but they still shine. A beacon of light guiding us through time. Electric beat, guitar riff, it's time to fly. With the money to build, our life won't be a lie. I wish I had the funds, the means to begin a new home, a family to start again. Dreams unfolded, but they still ignite the hope inside me, like the fire to ignite. I wish I had the funds, the means to begin a new home, a family to start again. Dreams unfolded, but they still ignite the hope inside me, like a fire to ignite.
Wandering through the city streets that night, no corners mine, no place to hide my light.
me, still searching for a spot where I can be. I've packed up all my hopes and dreams in bags, but wherever I go, I feel like I'm in a maze. No stable ground, no place to lay my head. Just lost spaces, nothing to be said. Fed up of not having a place that I can call my own. Wish I could find a spot where I can call my home. Everywhere I look, it's just a temporary stay. Lost spaces, no place to land, no place to play. Wishing for a place where I can rest my feet. A room with windows, a roof over my head. Sleep, not just a bed to sleep, but somewhere to be. Lost spaces, no place to be. No place to be. I've been moving from one place to the next, but every new start feels like it's just a trick. I need a spot where I can plant my roots, where my trees can grow and my heart can bloom. I've got scars from all the places I've been, but still I keep searching, hoping and dreaming for a place where I can silently belong, where I can call this world my very own. Fed up of not having a place that I can call my own. Wish I could find the spot where I can call my home. Everywhere I look, it's just a temporary stay. Lost spaces, no place to land, no place to play.
Storm, I hold on tight to the hope that shines like a distant light. In the darkest night, my love still glows. With you by my side, I know we'll find our way. The walls of doubt try to break us down. We build a future where we're strong and sound. Our dreams of home, a place we can call ours. Together we'll rise no matter what life brings. I'll climb the mountains, I'll cross the sea, for the life we want, for me and you. Hand in hand we'll make our dreams come true. Hope is the fire that lights up the sky. No matter how hard, no matter how long, our love will shine through like a lighthouse strong. We'll face each challenge every single day. Together we'll thrive, no need to hide away. In every trial we find our way. With each step forward, we stand tall today. Our love is the key to unlock the door to a world where we're free, where we're more. From the ashes of the past we rise. With every obstacle we grow in pride. Our future's bright with every passing day. We'll write our story with every new ray. I'll climb the mountains, I'll cross the sea, for the life we want, for me and you. Hand in hand, we'll make our dreams come true. Hope is the fire that lights up the sky. No matter how hard, no matter how long, our love will shine through like a lighthouse strong. We'll face each challenge every single day. Together we'll thrive, no need to hide away.